Prana is called life force. Okay, prana is life force, and ayama means extension or expansion. So when we try to extend or expand, the prana is called pranayama. So prana and ayama, there are two words, prana and ayama. And in Yoga Sutra, there is a sutra, Tasmin Sati Swas Praswas Yor Gati Vicheda Pranayama. Pranayama is an exact science. It is the fourth anga or limb of Ashtanga Yoga, right? And then there is Sanskrit text. Tasmin Sati Swas Praswas Yor Gati Vicheda Pranayama. Pranayama actually is Swas Praswas Gati Viched. Okay. Swas Praswas Gati Viched. So what is swas and what is praswas? Swas and praswas. Swas is when you inhale, and praswas is when you exhale. Okay. Swas is inhalations, and praswas is exhalations. And the gati. Gati means the movement or the motion. Motion is called gati. So you inhale and exhale. There is happening. So viched means to stop. Viched means to stop or to lengthen. So when the duration of inhalations and exhalations are longer, this is also kind of pranayama. But in advanced form, pranayama is when your breath becomes still. Means when your body doesn't breathe. This is called also pranayama. But this is advanced form. I mean, when you are doing meditation, and you'll find that sometimes your breath becomes like a still light. That looks like as if your body is not breathing. So this is called swas praswas gati vicheda. Swas praswas gati vicheda. Swas is inhalation and praswas is exhalation, and movement is still. That becomes a still. Clear? So this is pranayama.